Hello guys, in this video I will show you another SEMrush tool which is a very quite useful tool. So if you do want to compare your website with other domains, this tool is located in competitive analysis, compare domains. So if you click on this interface will open. So right here this will be your actual website that you want to compare. So let me just put in medium.com, and right here this will be your competitors. So let me say Quora.com, I say GitHub.com. You can add three competitors more. Stack Overflow. Let me add LinkedIn, Reddit. And then we have this option of comparing. You click on compare option. So now you will see it will do a comparison between these five websites. So authority score, it will give you 100, Stack Overflow is 84, LinkedIn 100, Reddit 100. SEMrush rank, it has this feature 32, 130, 630, 21. And this is the most important metric, which is the organic traffic, 81 million. For Quora, GitHub is 18 million, Stack Overflow 4.3 million, LinkedIn is 119 million, and Reddit is 1.2 billion traffic is there. These are organic keywords which are ranking, these are backlinks, everything. Referring domains, paid keywords, everything. So by different colors, it's highlighted different websites. So these are the five websites that we are comparing. And as you see the traffic share, most of it is dominated by Reddit. Then we have LinkedIn, Quora, then GitHub, then Stack Overflow. So if you have a list of websites that you want to compare, then this SEMrush, this tool, compare domains, is a very perfect tool. It basically ranks websites based upon different metrics such as branded, everything. You have paid, organic traffic, everything. So top opportunities, as you see, we have. So this is the tool right here. You will see that for Reddit, it actually shows you how the traffic is looking like. So if you only want to see Stack Overflow, so individually you can click it to see. This is organic. You can also see backlinks also. So this is only for US. You can set it to worldwide, so that by default it's set to worldwide. So you can set it to a specific country as well. So like US. So this is a very perfect tool, guys. Very good tool for comparing different domain names. So this is the way by which you can do this. Compares five domains at a time. So definitely check this out.